y'all, this is the crystal clear chlorine dioxide kit. This is a 2-bottle set with part A and part B. Part A is sodium chlorite and part B is hydrochloric acid. And I'm going to show you in this video a quick demonstration of how to mix this together to create chlorine dioxide. Now there's also a warning on the back. It says this can cause severe eye irritation. You also don't want to inhale this, and you want to make sure you mix these in a well-ventilated area because vapors do arise. And to mix this, you want to do equal drops of part A and part B in a glass or a plastic container. So I'm going to show you in real time what these look like when they're combined. First, I'm going to do 10 drops of part A. Now you're going to see this change color when I add 10 drops of part B. And I do smell some vapors, and it mixed thoroughly and it's turning golden yellow. That means I've activated it and made chlorine dioxide. Well, I hope this review was helpful and useful for you.